catch this move here. So this is where our sell position was going to be. That's where I was going to set the sell. But we've broken that level now. So unfortunately, we've missed that one. That's all good though. We don't want to trade before the open. So I will be looking at the bottom of this wick now for the sell position. Hopefully this candle can stay in that zone, or even if it keeps pushing up, that's ideal. But we'll be looking at something like that on the sell. And then on the buy position, I'm probably going to be going off. I did like this week earlier. I like that. This one's more of a manipulation with the blue candle, but because it's come and respected that level nicely, I may look at going something like that. Because it's come in, see we've got this wick here, then we've come down, and then this week's come, respected it nicely. We've got a reaction off that. So I'll be looking at potentially that zone there, I think, for the buy.
Nice.
Something like that.
On that over. That's good.
Might come just slightly lower on that. All right, I'm going to lock the sell in right now. And then we will look at the buy.
Nice.
3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. All right, my stop loss on the sell. I'm going to set my stop loss at not too high. 3313.45. 3.45. 331.
Nice.
Cool. And the buy, I'm going to lock that in right now as well. Stop loss on the buy. I'm going to set my stop loss at 3316.08.
Beautiful.
Cool. And that is it. That is it. That is what we're doing today. Hopefully we get a nice, decent push like we did yesterday. I think
that'd be nice.
And I think the day before as well, wasn't it? Go back and have a look.
Yeah,
both days, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, both good.
Nice. Good start to the week. So I took profits at TP2 yesterday and the day before. So I can literally now take a loss today, tomorrow, and Friday and still be profitable for the week. So if I take a loss today, tomorrow, and Friday, I'm still in the week in profit. So it's a profitable week for me, regardless of what happens. It's going to be a profitable week for me, which is great. And anyone who followed
happy days, man.
Yeah, anyone who followed suit, it'd be the same outcome. Yeah. I'm looking at partnering with another broker as well, potentially.
Oh, nice.
So I'll chat to you and Hustle about that before we bring it. But it's offering it'll be offering all Australian, New Zealand residents 1 to 500 leverage.
Really?
Yeah, yep. So we'll discuss it and we'll work out whether we do the broker, go with a broker or Bybit. The only thing, if we can work out with Bybit what chart is the correct chart to be going off, then I'm more than happy to do the Bybit. And that's the only thing really, man, to be honest with you. It's just working out the chart. Yep.
Yeah, is that Black Bull?
It is, man. Yep. Black Bull. Yep. Yeah, they're good, huh? What are your spreads at the moment?
Yeah. I don't have an issue with them, to be honest with you. I think they're good.
What do you know what your spreads are at the moment?
I'm sitting at 13.
Perfect, bro. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. 100%, dude. So we were looking at going with Black Bull markets. If not, we'll consider doing the Bybit, because look, the Bybit has fixed spreads at 7, right? So, mate, they're perfect. But the only problem is we can't work out which chart aligns up with them. So it's a little bit difficult to try and get it. So we just got to work that out. Yeah. Otherwise, whatever. If not, we'll go to Black Bull markets for Australian, New Zealand residents. And then anyone who's overseas, I'm talking to another broker now to get the same spreads as what Blackpool offers, and then obviously the 1 to 500 leverage, which that you guys would get anyway.
Yeah. What were the spreads on Blackpool for gold at the moment?
I'm sitting at 13 at the minute.
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
That's sweet, bro. That's actually perfect for this. Obviously, seven's a lot better. Seven's like a lot better. What's that, man?
I get activated pretty much the same time, and I get stop loss the exact same time that you do with your broker at the minute. So
yeah, perfect. Yeah, so
Yeah, it's good because that's a real broker. Like Bybit's Bybit's started as an index, so it's technically crypto rather than an actual gold USD asset. But yeah, they kind of just aggregate it off. I don't actually know who they use, but I'm going to try and find out a bit more about it and just let them know sort of what we're doing and see if they can help and find the best chart.
Yeah, sweet, man. So the aim is to get everybody have the exact same setup. If everyone wants to get the same results, we all need to have the same setup. We all need to be with the same broker. And if we're going to be doing funded challenges, we all need to be doing funded with the same prop firm. Because if everyone's different, if everyone's with different brokers and different prop firms, we're all going to get different results, unfortunately. It's just how it is. You're going to get different spreads. You're going to get different entry points, different exit zones, different take profit zones, and it's just not going to align. So if you want to have the exact entries and exits that I get and the exact take profit zones that I get, then we all need to be with the same broker. And if we're going to be doing the prop firm, we all need to be doing it with the same prop firm. It's the only way it's going to work out where everyone's going to win together.
Yeah, exactly right. I think the only other thing we need to be mindful of as well is Fiverrs don't allow copy trading. So if there's multiple accounts that have the same entries and exits, they might flag it. So it might be worth looking at to see if there's a workaround or if there's something with maybe FTMO. If their spreads are not too bad as well, but hopefully it's not something that we come into.
Okay. All right, we'll look more into that. The thing with FTMO, look, I'm only using the FTMO just to see how a prop firm will work with this strategy, and plus they got pretty high spreads at the moment. So if it works with them, we will work with anyone. But the only problem with FTMO is they only offer 1 to 30 leverage for Australian residents because they've had to transfer over and come over because they've expanded, and I think they teamed up with a broker in Australia, so everything's under ASICs. Whereas a lot of the other ones, say the 5%ers, I'm pretty sure, because they're not an ASICs registered company, they can offer 1 to 500 leverage for anyone. So that's another thing we'll have to look at as well, because ideally you want the 1 to 500 leverage, like ideally.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's what you want.
Ideally.
I don't know, man. To be honest with you, I haven't done a funded in so many years. I personally have no idea.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the max you can get is 1 to 100.
Okay. All right.
On funded, yeah.
I guess it's still better than still better to 1 to 30 though, isn't it? I guess.
Oh, way better.
Yeah, that's yes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I feel like I'm going back to school and doing homework again, trying to work out all these prop firm stuff. Because me personally, I've been against prop firms for years, man. Since I first started making money, being profitable, going live, that was it. I never looked back. I was like, cool, this is all I need to do. Piece of piss, easy.
Yeah.
Easy. You know, if you lose 5% or if you lose 10% of your account with a live account, you're still in the game. So you can make that back the following week. Where you do that on a prop firm, you're gone. It's done.
Yeah.
So anyway, all good though.
Oh, yeah.
All good though. We'll have both options. Man. We'll have prop firms for the guys who want to do that, and we'll have the perfect setup for each one.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I think this time in hopefully next week, but the week after, I should have my I should be able to have a live account back up and running. So we'll see which one's going to be the best for that. Because that's for this strategy, man. The live account is 100% the best thing.
Yep. I reckon too. Yep. Oh, 1 second. Just putting some notes down, man, for some shit I've got to sort out today for all this. Yep. So yeah, black bull markets for Australian and New Zealand residents. So I'm gonna update that. I'm gonna look for a broker that offers the rest, so Asia, US, and Europe, and I need them to have the exact same, offer the same leverage and the same spreads as what black bull are doing. And then if we can align that, then we're all going to be on the same page.
Yeah, perfect.
And then the five is.
Black bull, that sounds cool, man. It sounds really cool.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah. Yep, and then the five is for the funded accounts, but only on the London session, not on the Tokyo session.
Yeah, and will we do the London session every night then?
Yeah, we'll I guess we'll have to. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do it every night. You and Hustle will sit down and work out to see how that can work. At the moment, Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm not able to do. I still could potentially put signals in the group though, but it might be something, Sam, and if you're around, man, if you're interested, it might be something you might be able to jump on, bro.
Yeah, 100%.
For your
100%, man. I've got nothing to do until gym starts at 5:30. So yeah, I can do the London session on the night that you're not there. We can just make sure that we've got the entries and take profits and stuff right, and then I can run that when you're not around.
Sure. Sweet, bro. Oh, it sounds good. Be a good entry point for you, man, to come into the become a part of the team, and it'll be a good entry point for you to just start running maybe 2 nights a week, and then work it from there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sounds good, man. That'd be cool.
Happy days, mate. Happy days.
Happy days.
It's moving slow.
This morning compared to the start of the week.
It is, man. Yesterday was perfect, man. Yesterday it validated a TP3, then validated TP5. I closed at a TP2 and then closed that position off, so I didn't leave them both open. And then Monday it was straight to a TP5. So we've hit a TP5 twice this week, which is insane, man. It's good. Really, really good. Hopefully we can continue that. But both of them, in saying that, both of them were pretty much on the open, pretty much straight away. Like, look at that, straight away.
Yeah, within 15 minutes.
Boom, 15 minutes or whatever, 5, 10, 15 minutes. And then yesterday was straight away, hit a TP3. And today it's a bit slow, so we'll see how we go. Cool. Did you take the waterfall trade this morning, or are you doing it tonight?
No, I'll do it tonight.
Yeah, nice.
I'll do it at just on 5 o'clock. Yeah.
We get extra signals tonight as well for the group.
Oh yes, will that be in that support group?
Yeah, it'll be in the group that we've got. It'll be in there. There's like 12 of us or whatever in that, and all of us are going to get probably maybe 3%, I reckon, because there's 3 new people that have come on.
Oh, awesome! And that'll be after. Oh, what time do they do that? Is that 8 o'clock? They do the other ones.
6:30. Our time.
Okay, cool.
So they do 5 p.m., 6 p.m., and then the bonus trade we'll get is going to be at 6:30.
6:30. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, man, that'll be cool. We get another 3%, 6% for the day. Fucking yeah.
Happy days, mate. That's awesome.
Yeah. Come on. Again, man, like usual, we'll sit to 10:30. If we don't hit anything by 10:30, I used to just leave my positions open, but I might see what it's doing. If it's just consolidating, I may look at just closing them both off. If we haven't hit by, if we haven't,
no trade.
Yeah, if we haven't hit by 10:30, might just call it a no trade.
Yeah.
I mean, it's better to do that than to risk taking a loss if it's consolidating. You know, if we don't get that breakout within the first 15 to 30 minutes. I know a lot of the time, though, that 10:30 candle does break out strong. Sometimes, like we miss it.
Yeah.
We'll get off at 10:30 and then within about a couple of minutes, it pumps.
Yeah.
But we'll see how we go, mate. We'll play it by ear. We'll see how it's looking in the next 20 minutes. What else, mate? What else can we go over? I think that's it.
The trades that I've been working on this week for the last 2 days, I haven't actually hit the entry points, so both of them have been no trades.
Okay, that's all right.
On gold, which is frustrating, but that's all right.
It's better than a loss, man. No trade's better than a loss.
Yeah, exactly right.
And you're aiming your system aiming for 2 to 1s or 3 to 1s. What is it? 2 to 1s? Both.
It really depends on because it's going by the point of control. It depends on the value area low or the value area high and how far away that is. If it's over, I think it's 0.15%, then I'll go for a 2 to 1. If it's under that, I'll go for a 3 to 1. But it all kind of depends on how high the wicks are away from the entry and what the setup sort of looks like. So it can either be a 2 or a 3.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Show us the love. Come on, show us some love. Oh, a Donatello candle.
Fucking bastard.
Yeah, they're the worst. They are the worst. Right on the opens is the worst.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
So on actually, time did that break through? So just after the US Open, or on the US Open actually, for gold last night, 11:30 basically, it pushed up and then it jumped and then it broke through that massive bearish trend line, and now we're sitting in that fair value gap. So it's probably why it's a little bit slow. It's trying to back up to mine what the fuck it wants to do, but it's huge.
Yeah, okay.
Huge gap.
Makes sense. Let's have a look.
If we do get a push down, I wouldn't be surprised if it could put the TP. Oh, that's over a TP5 all the way down to the bottom of that gap there. It's massive. Fucking massive.
I've just got the gold up on another chart, so I'll see when it breaks through. I just want to go through yesterday's trade for anyone who missed it. So that was the swing trade we had set up yesterday, like that. It came in, unfortunately, entered us on the sell and then closed off. So then what we do in that case is if we get faked out on the first position, we leave the second position open, which is what we done. So we ended up catching the buy. So it was a break-even day. I was considering holding for a 2 to 1, which might have probably just missed it, to be honest with you. We probably would have just missed that. Yeah, I don't think that wouldn't have closed us off. So
no, wouldn't have.
No, would have missed it. And that would have been, mate, imagine waking up in the morning to that going, you motherfucker.
Oh, you fucking dog. Yeah, I'd be so
Yeah, we'd still be in the trade though. We'd still be in it. But yeah, you wouldn't be happy with that. So we ended the UK session on the swing trade. We ended it at break even for the day, which is obviously better than the loss. So all good with that. All good. We'll do that again tomorrow. Unless you want to try and do it tonight, Sam. We'll work.
No, what day is it today?
Wednesday.
Fucking Wednesday, isn't it? Yeah.
Up to you, bro. We can chat off.
Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, I don't know.
That's all right. We'll chat about it off stream, and then we'll work it out, and we'll let everybody know if we're gonna do it tonight or not.
Yeah, sweet. I was thinking I got some. Fuck, I still got a fucking stupid job, but I'll see what I have to do for that, and when I get out of that. If not, then we can organise to start it maybe next week.
Yeah, sweet, man. Sweet as. Sounds good. No stress, bro. No stress at all. I was watching as anyone, there's that dude Patrick Wyland. Have you heard of him? He does like He's
No,
a
I haven't.
he's off his head. He's a fucking madman. He's a bit of a dick. But anyway, whatever. But he goes live and mate, his lives go for like 3-4 hours.
Do they? Oh,
It's insane. Like he'll sit.
commitment there.
That's commitment, bro. Like 30 minutes. I'm like, all right, guys, no trade. We're out of here. You know what I mean? You got this dude sitting there for like 3 hours, man. 3-4 hours. He does 3-4 hour streams, bro. Like that's insane. I haven't got the patience for that
That
shit.
is crazy.
I personally have not got the patience, and that's not living to me. Like you want to trade, so you have freedom. Like, where's the freedom in that? You're sitting in front of the screen for 4 fucking hours, you know?
Yeah, exactly right. Exactly right. Trying to defeat the purpose.
100% it defeats the purpose. Come on. If we don't get a move by 10:30, I might consider leaving the sell open because there's a pretty decent drop. There's not really much. Let's have a look. Where are we? You know what I mean? Like, there's not really much there until way back.
Yeah. Like
So I may consider just leaving that sell. Like, look at that, man. You got imbalance here on the 1 hour. You got a 1 hour.
yeah.
Oh, it's actually there. You know what I mean? So there's not really much below it. So if we don't break out by 10:30, I might close the buy and just leave the sell open. If it does go up and hit the buy, whatever, so be it. I don't care. But if we get that sell, we should potentially hopefully get a decent push.
Decent push, yeah. If you got the volume, that'd be great.
Yeah, it might come in. It might come in a bit later on. Yeah, you could set. You know what? You could do that. You actually could do that. You could set up a swing on that.
Well, considering it's consolidating a lot, that might not be too bad of an idea. If we don't get entered with a push here, that could be cool.
Something like that for the sell. You could do the same on the buy. Look, I might go back I might back test because I've only done the swing trading on the UK 100. I might go back test it on gold over the next I'll go back like a few months and see if it has a similar outcome. And if it does, then mate, happy days. We could potentially be looking at doing it with gold as well. The only problem is the spread.
Don't get the push.
Yeah, the only problem is the spreads, but it's not going to affect you too much if you're swing trading like that. You know, the only thing that might happen is, for example, it might come down, hit there, and then that's your entry point, and then it can continue up, and then you'll be like, fuck, it didn't even hit my entry, but with spreads it got me. So anyway, but we can allow for that with having stop losses and stuff that big. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do now? 1 minute until the 10:20 candle. Sometimes we get some volume coming around that time between 10:20 and 10:30. The banks putting their orders in and whatever.
Manipulating the market.
Yep. Working out who they're gonna fuck today.
Exactly what I was about to say. Who's going to comment?
How many people can we fuck over today? Let's have a look.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully this can break through. Come on. Very slow morning, man. Very slow.
Very slow. Very, very slow.
I'll fuck around with that next week.
Yeah, that'd be cool. A cool option.
Yeah. Yep. Come on. What are your spreads on fivers at the moment?
27.
Okay. Yeah, definitely gonna have to use. Definitely use it. Nah, definitely gonna have to use them for swing trading, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yep. Like I said, man, I'll suss out whether it's going to be whether it'll work on gold as well, because then at least you get 2 sessions there you can choose from, whether you do the morning session or the evening one. So I'll work that out. I'll allow for about 30 cents for the spreads. So
that's probably perfect.
So for example, if I'm going to set it there, I'll really allow it to be like up here or somewhere, the entry point, and I'll work it out like that.
Yeah.
It's hard to back test when you can't, to try and allow for spreads and slippage.
Yeah. I think that capital.com has a really similar chart and spread to the fivers. It's probably the most similar that I've found. So I kind of use that for charting, and then I'll just adjust it when I put it up on the chart on my account.
Let's see what the difference is. Oops. That's a wonder. Sorry, man. I just want to try and see the difference. But look at the difference in price there. I guess it's... Oh, no, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Where's capital?
So I think for capital, you actually have to type in gold instead of XLUSD.
Was it? Oh, yeah, it's not too different, is it? 7-1. Oh, it's
not too
a fair bit. It's a fair bit. Is that what the fivers is? Oh, on your MetaTrader.
The most similar to the fivers.
On your MetaTrader, what is it? Can we compare your fivers, the MetaTrader now, just to see?
Yeah, so 3314.23 roughly. Now it's going up a little bit, but it's pretty much
spot on.
I think within 10 cents of what capital's. Yeah, it's pretty close.
Oh, sweet. Oh, but that's not too bad. Cool. Well, that's good, man, because then we'll know. We'll just know to set the chart up on that for the funded accounts. We'll look at capital instead of Blackbull or 8cap.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds good. So I've put like a line on that bottom wick, and then a line on the top wick, and they're both within like 10 cents ish of each other. So it's pretty close.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's okay for swing trading. It's probably not great for scalping. That difference.
No.
Yeah, the price difference is okay for swing trading. Yeah, not the scalping. Come on, let's go. Look, to be honest with you, man, it's if it's going to be a no trade day, so be it. We had really two good days in a row. I'd rather no trade than a loss. So.
Yeah.
And when it consolidates like this, man, it doesn't usually end too well. Not enough volume in the market. We're volume traders. That's what we do. We rely on volume. So if there's if there's no volume in the market, it kind of goes against our strategy. We'll wait 5 more minutes. Wait for this candle closes. See how the 10:30 candle opens, and then we'll make a decision from there what we do with these positions. Got 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
And then we'll work it out, make that decision. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Mate, that 10:30 candle really needs to open up strong for me to get any sort of excitement.
Does. Yeah, it fucking does.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like watching fucking grass grow.
I know, bro. It's so boring, man. I hate it. Doesn't matter.
When it's like this, it's like fucking. It's not what I signed up for.
Yeah, I know.
It's excitement.
I know. People can do what I used to do, is put them in, set alerts, and then just get on with my day. Wait for my alert to go off to know whether I'm in a trade or not. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I used to do. I just set it up. I'll put an
It's not a
alert.
bad way of doing that. It takes so much stress out of it too.
Bro, you just set both positions up. You put alerts on both entries. Once one alert goes off, you look at your phone. You go, cool. Close the other entry off. You know, if your buy goes off, you close the sell. If your sell goes off, you close the buy. That's it. And that's it, mate. Go for a walk. Go to the gym. Go for breakfast. Whatever. 3 minutes. 3 more minutes.
Mate, that's actually living.
It is living, dude. It really is. It really is. Come on. So the 10:30 candle, I'll give it 1 minute. So once the 10:30 candle opens up, I'm going to give it 1 minute to push. If it doesn't push in the first minute, then I'm out. I am out.
Yeah.
I mean, we could wait for the whole candle to close, I guess, but we'll see what it does. In that first minute, if it looks like it's pushing in a direction, then we'll wait on. If not, I'll just jump out. Call it a day, man. It's been a good 2 days. Call it a day.
Yeah. Yeah. Good idea.
I've got a Mo crank. I've got a Mo rocking at the moment.
Yeah.
I tried to give myself a nice little blend my beard and stuff in, and I fucked it up. And I had this. I looked like a French man. I had like a little goatee thing going. I'm like, mate, I don't like that at all. So I took the goatee bit off, and now I'm just rocking a Mo till it grows back. Yeah, shit. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Change it up a little bit every now and then.
Tell you what, man. If anyone wants to ask any questions, or if anyone wants to know anything, just jump in. Take your mic off mute and jump on. And if anyone wants to know anything while we're sitting here, probably should have said that the whole time, to be honest with you. Wait till the last 1 minute. Hey, if anyone's got any questions. Oh, shit. Okay, now. But yeah, man, if anyone wants to jump on the mic, jump on the mic. If not, all good. All good.
Oh, good.
Breaks this level on that first 1 minute candle that opens up. If we break that level, I'm staying on. If we don't, I'm out.
Yeah. There's a lot of top weeks there.
Yeah, there is,
a lot
man.
of top weeks.
Yeah, I know.
Just fucking do it already. Jesus.
Just do it. Just do it, man. Just do it. Don't be scared. Just go. Just make it happen. Boom, 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 boom. And that's pretty impatient on me, isn't it? I mean, well, I'm not prepared to work for more than 30 minutes each day. You know what I mean? I think I've become spoilt, mate. I've become fucking spoilt. Like 30 minutes, I'm like, fuck that. I'm not working longer than 30 minutes.
Yeah.
When you look at it like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You know why? Because I've got a daily routine, and I like to stick to it.
Oh yeah. Fucking hell.
I've got to get to the fucking gym, mate, and I've got to eat. That's it. Read my book. Do some back testing on that gold strategy. Take my dog for a walk.
Yeah.
What else? Pick up my daughter. Go to gymnastics tonight. That's it. Full on day, man.
Yeah.
Full on day.
Mate, busy.
Fucking flat out, bro. What are you gonna do, man? I just want to know if it's gonna break this level. I really just want to know if it's gonna break that level. It's so close.
I reckon if we get it,
It's
we
so
get it close
close.
below that level, it's, I mean, we like to think we know what's going to happen. It should continue to push, but
You would hope
like the way
so.
that it's moving, it doesn't look like it's going to do anything.
Well, because it's consolidating as well. Because it's consolidating, you think, well, if we do get the breakout, we should get a decent breakout, you know?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm going to just wait on for 3 more minutes. Fuck it. I'll just wait to see what this candle does. If it doesn't push, I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah, good idea.
See what it wants to do. But I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a breakout. Pretty much. Probably not so much on the buy. I'm not as confident on the buy. But if we do get a breakout to the downside, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a really big move. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
Over the last 24 hours, pretty much. Basically, nearly. Drop. Anyway, not that
It's
we
been fucking huge.
not that we look at that stuff when we trade. We look here.
Yeah.
Right.
Keep it local.
This is what we look at. That's it. That's all we care about. If you're going to go there, or you're going to go there. Fuck all,
Yeah, that is
fuck
it.
all,
It's
fuck
one
all the
edge.
noise. Eliminate as much noise as possible.
Yep.
All right, looks like it wants to go down, man. It's breaking below here, these wicks. If it can break below those wicks as well, that's another confluence that we may continue down. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Come on. Close below that. Break below this next level. And we're good. We are good. Looks like it wants to.
Fucking thinking about it.
Yep.
It is thinking.
So the spreads on FTMO have just dropped to 20. That's good.
Oh, wow, that's not bad.
It's not too bad at all. Keep creeping.
Five is still sitting at 27.
This is good. Keep going. 20 seconds to the next 1 minute candle opens. Hopefully that 1 minute candle can continue. Should we look at the 1 minute just to... Oh yeah, it's doing fuck all.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The candles are tiny, man. I've been watching that thing. It's fucking tiny.
Nothing happened, mate. Nothing. All right, let's see what this next 1 minute candle wants to do. Does it want to push? What are you going to do? Come down. Where's the arrow? Here. Follow this path. Follow this path. Just like that. Just do that. Just do that.
Just done.
Just follow this. Follow that line. Come on. Follow the line. Let's go. I think it wants to, man. I really think it wants to go.
Yes. Yeah, it's looking like it's trying.
When it does this, it's like, all right, because it's closing below here, it's like, all right, cool. Now I need to see what the next candle does.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I just don't want to miss it. Oh, it's closed below there. All right, let's just wait to see. If you need to go, bro, you can go. I just really want to see what this next candle's going to do now that we're starting to get some momentum.
Oh, here we go. Come on. Push. Push down.
Come on. Break the level. Break that level. Tell you what, long morning this morning.
Yeah, mate, you're putting in the fucking overtime.
I know, bro. Better be getting paid for it.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm fucking tripling my lot size now. Tripling my lot size so I can get an overtime.
Yeah.
Not really. Fuck that. This is gay, man. Come on.
Yeah. Fucking do it already.
Well, don't do that.
The 1 minute candle opens fucking bullish. Stupid.
We've got a failed low test there, which usually means slight uptrend on that candle. We've come and filled that level perfectly. Failed low test. May go up slightly. I used to take, when I first started trading, I used to take buys off those. So whenever that happened, whenever we come and respected a zone, if we got a failed low test or shooting star, whatever people want to call them, I used to call it failed low test, I'd take a buy.
Take a buy there, yeah.
Yep.
Clever.
Yep. You've come in, you respected the zone. That's a perfect candle to go, yep, cool, take a buy. And I used to trade on the 1 minute chart. So I'd literally be closing my position around here somewhere. Around there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Anyway, all right, boys. Fuck it. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna call it no trade day for me personally. If anyone wants to keep their positions open, so be it. If we do get a drop to the downside, I would expect it to dump nicely, but entirely up to you guys. I'm closing both. I'm gonna have a no trade. It's been a really good couple of weeks, so that's it. That is it. We'll come back tomorrow morning and do it all over again.
Sounds good. Catch all you guys tomorrow morning.
Cool. See you later.
Catch us later.
Bye.
Bye.
That's it. You have those days. Very, very slow day in the market. Like I said, on the Tokyo session, I'll wait 30 minutes. If we don't hit it, I'm out. And then on the UK session, I'll wait 15 minutes and same thing. Just call it no trade day. All right. See you guys.